Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto, Coffee and Lo-Fi. Before we get started, a special thanks to Globe Exchange. Easily some of the most competitive fee structures in the whole of the crypto space. So click the link in the description below, sign up with them, make a deposit. Also, I've opened up a free Discord where I share all of my trades and my entire strategy that I've just reformatted recently. So you can click the link in the description below and join up. That's all free, no problemo. Making these episodes as short and quick as possible, trying to get them out a few times a week. But for now, just taking a look at Bitcoin, I think we're going to be stuck in a bit of a ranging environment here for the next few days. Let's just go and take a look at this really quick. So if you are new here, I suggest that you go and watch some of my previous YouTube videos. There's over 100 now. Or just join up the Discord and fucking take a look at some of the strategy files. So I'm not really going to explain the strategy basics here, but let's just go over the analysis. I'm assuming most of you have some kind of idea what I'm doing here. So generally speaking, if I'm looking to get long, I need to see accumulation. If I'm looking to get short, I'm looking to see distribution. It doesn't really matter what time frame I'm looking at. So if it's the daily, I need to see daily accumulation. If it's the 1 minute chart, I need to see M1 accumulation if I'm looking for longs. The issue with Bitcoin's current price action is that we don't have really many obvious sweeps and breaks in structure that I can see by looking at this. So what would that mean? It would mean that the low that we are forming here most likely isn't going to be really sustained for very long, or at least cause any long-term up move or significant up move. Okay, so if we don't see any accumulation here, it doesn't mean that we can't continue up for a little while longer, but it means that I'm going to be looking at this current leg as a retracement rather than a reversal. So keeping that in mind, let's try to draw out some lower time frame accumulation though, to see if we can get this to hold. So we are in a little bit of an uptrend here. You can see basic stuff, higher lows, higher highs. So let's see if we can mark out some lower time frame accumulation and see if these levels are going to hold. So we have a sweep of this key low right here. This is the low that took, this is the high that took that low, so we're marking that out. And then we also have a sweep of this key low right here, and this was the high that took that low. We also have these equal lows resting below here. So really the strategy, I'm marking out accumulation or distribution, and then I'm marking out areas of that liquidity are probably going to reside. All right, so we may get a short into these lows. This is the draw on liquidity, in my opinion. We have those equal lows resting just above a previous area of accumulation that hasn't yet been tested. So this area around about 22,300 ish. Not only is it going to be a good spot to look for longs for a possible continuation, but it may be a good spot also to hunt for some short targets. So if we can get a short in here, and I'll go over why I'm looking for shorts just here in a sec. If we can get a short entry here, targeting the equal lows and targeting this level. So if we jump onto the M5, we can see this a little clearer. Sweeping out this high, and this all happened over the weekend. So taking out that high, breaking below the low that swept that high, and then taking out this high here, breaking below the low that took that high. So this is the first beginning stages of some distribution, and this all happened. All of the distribution occurred just above this previous key swing, which isn't really a good sign. If we move up above a key swing and start to distribute, what that usually means is that price is getting ready to sell off. And you add to that the fact that we don't have really much obvious accumulation as well. That would kind of tell me that yeah, we're about to see another leg down, but we'll have to wait and see. rather than trying to predict anything, I'm just going to mark out the levels. So some distribution here. We see some continued selling right here. So this trade here was called out in the Discord as well. So again, make sure you join up. We have called almost 40R in about 2 to 3 weeks, all in live calls posted for free there. So make sure to join. This is the low that took these highs. So if we can get a retest of this level just before the daily close, or maybe just after the daily close, followed by some more distribution, they'll look to get short. Or if we break and close below this level, let's say on the 15 or hourly. So a short here on a 15-minute or hourly close, or if we get one more leg up and some more distribution, then a short there. Okay, targeting these equal lows, looking at about 2,300. Once we reach into this zone, if we get a possible long trigger, then I'll look to take it for a continuation. Obviously the short can get invalidated. If we get a H4 close above here and we don't distribute at this level, then I would say, okay, we're going to continue up. We'll take this high, and head towards 27K. But for now, this is how I'm playing it. No worries, guys. I'm going to cut the episode here. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in these episodes, how often you want to see them. No worries. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.